Our clinic contributes to a patient by the special method of the Ohguchi dental implant method and the Ohguchi orthodontics. Briefing session of the Ohguchi style implant operation method, not to sharpen a bone with a drill. Target, dentist, lecturer, Dr.Ohguchi Ohguchi, holding of a briefing session at any time. Keyword, drowsiness,
Half asleep.
constipation,
A condition in which there is difficulty in emptying the bowels.
nocturnal,
During the night,
suppressant,
a drug which acts to restrain something.
nagging,
Harass constantly to do something.
咳を薬を使わずに止めるお話をします。
I'll tell you about stop a cough without using a medicine.
ホームレメディは24時間1日中お医者さんが待機しているようなものですよ。
The home remedies are like having a doctor on call 24 hours a day.
最初にキューブチョコかダークチョコで楽しみましょう。
First, indulge in a square or two of dark chocolate.
研究者の発見によると、チョコレートのテオブロミン合成物はコデンよりも持続性の咳を抑制する効果があるそうです。しかも副作用のうとうと状態や便秘がありません。
Researchers found that chocolate's theobromine compound is more effective than codeine at suppressing persistent coughs without the side effect of drowsiness and constipation.
次に夜あなたを寝かせてくれないしつこい咳を鎮めるためにお休みになる30分前に茶さじ2杯の蜂蜜を取ってエスター C500mg を加えてください。子供用に茶さじ1から2、1歳以下のお子さんには与えないでくださいね。
And next, to calm a nagging cough that keeps you awake at night, take 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 to 2 teaspoons for kids. Don't give children younger than 1. Along with 500 mg of ecstasy 30 minutes before bed.
最後に初期の咳にはビタミン C。
Finally, vitamin C, the early stages of your cough.
研究によると蜂蜜は咳止め薬よりも子どもたちの夜の咳を楽にすること、睡眠を促進することのどちらにも作用すると言っています。
Research showed that honey works better than either a cough suppressant or no treatment at all for relieving children's nocturnal cough and promoting sleep.
ご清聴ありがとうございました。
Thank you. That's all for today.
Bye bye. We introduced a new product. What is this name?
Yeah, it's Ab Oral Gel.
What is the difference with the former gel?
Oh, masculinity was increased.
What kind of effects are there?
It is effective in sterilization and periodontal disease prevention. In addition, it is effective against bad breath. It's also effective whitening
Good.
and effective in sterilizing Helicobacter pylori.
Splendid.
Yeah, it's alright even if you swallow or eat this gel.
Oh, it's safety.
Yeah, very safety. It is possible to use from a small child to the elderly in peace.
You can buy it from here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Briefing session of the Ohguchi style implant operation method, not to sharpen a bone with a drill. Target, dentist, lecturer, Dr.Ohguchi Ohguchi, holding of a briefing session at any time.